Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy hump day, you guys. We're almost there. We're so close to the weekend. Today's video is going to be our November BOXYCHARM unboxing. I wanted to let you guys know, or I did want to let you guys know that I have tried out two products from BOXYCHARM. I get my boxes sent to me for free. In order for me to review them and stuff, which you guys know that my opinion is never swayed by any free products or anything like that. But since they did send me the palette, the Ace Beauty palette, before it launched, that way I can test it out. So I have tried this one and another product. So I figured, I don't know, I would just let you guys know so you know why I know that they work or they don't work. That doesn't make sense right now. But it will make sense in the video. So let me stop talking and let's jump right into this BOXYCHARM November BOXYCHARM unboxing slash try on. This box says Gold Digger. Oh, I like that. And of course we have all of our products listed right here. This is again the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. This features 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. Let's see. So it delivers intense pigmentation and easy blending. This retails for $24.99, which really isn't too bad. I wanted to speak on this very, very briefly. I tried the Cover FX glitter drops, which are these. I'm not sure if everybody is getting them, but I got these in the shade Nova. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter creates a high impact reflective finish that wows. This multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. Okay, so I tried this Saturday. By the way, this retails for $44. I mixed it with my foundation. Lord have mercy on my soul. I was so mad that day because I didn't realize that my skin was going to look like I bathed in glitter. That is what my skin looked like. Now, I am well aware when I saw this, I was like, whoa, that's a ton of glitter. But I don't know. I thought maybe it was going to blend in with my foundation and just look very luminous. But no, it looked like straight up glitter. It didn't blend out well. So if you guys do want to try it anyways, just make sure that you blend it out really good, because for some reason it didn't blend well with my foundation and I literally had patches, like big old patches of just glitter. It looks like somebody slapped me with glitter. It was horrible. So for me, I am gonna way pass on this because it left me scarred. This is a Luxie Luminous Eye Set. This one comes with 4 brushes. These are little mini brushes, and these retail for $21. I also used this already, and oh my god, I love the way this plugged my brows. This is the Farrah Galaxy Gold Tweezers. They are dual-ended. These retail for $12, which is such a good price. So the flat side removes coarse, thick hair, and the pointed side tweezes away even the finest of hairs. I just use this side because I have freaking pelo de marrano. My eyebrow hair is so thick, you guys. So I use this one. I love it so much. I've been using Tweezer Man for years and years and years. I think I might switch. Ooh, I almost choked. The very last thing that we have here is this Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. It says spray directly onto brush, hair, and gently wipe on a paper towel. Use sparingly so as not to soak the brush hair. For deeper cleaning, wear cleanser, brush hair, and okay. So this is pretty much like the Cinema Secrets. That is the vibe that I'm getting from this. So we're going to test that really quick. I have a little nasty toallita. This is what I use to clean my brushes. So I'm just going to spray a little bit on there. I'm going to take my brush because this one is dirty. Do you guys see that? I'm going to clean it. Let's see. Now the Cinema Secrets little cleansing thing, that one leaves your brushes dry so you can use them immediately. I'm wondering if this will do the same. Wow. Okay, that is literally dry and ready to go. So this is going to be a product that I am definitely going to use for my makeup brushes. The first shade I am taking is Clove, and I'm going to take this the mini tapered Luxie 121. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to use one of my own brushes. So I'm going to take again Clove, and I'm just going to apply it on the crease. I think I'm going to go for a halo eye. Now I'm really going to use one of these. This one is the mini angled. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with Cinnamon, which is this really pretty brown. And I'm just going to put it right in here, right in the crease. And I think the third shade, I'm going to go in with Poppy, which is that really pretty, like berry wine, I don't know, it's pretty. And we are taking the mini tapered, and again I'm just going to add that into the crease, just keeping it right down here. I ended up adding the prices on the box together to see how much this month's box is worth, and I got a total of $113.99, so around $114 for $21 that you pay is a great deal. I honestly wasn't that excited about this box. The only two items that I genuinely loved was the palette. I think the palette is something that I'm going to use, and as well as the tweezers, but the other products, meh, they were okay. I want to know what you guys think of this box. Definitely wasn't my favorites. Wasn't the worst that we've ever gotten. So thank you guys so much for joining me today on this BOXYCHARM unboxing. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. What was that? Bye guys. Mwah.